Ready to see the Amazon gadgets everyone's obsessed with? These crazy home gadgets are smart, fun, and guaranteed to make your everyday life easier. From clever cleaning tools to futuristic upgrades, they'll totally change how you use your space. All links are in the description below. Turn your living room into a calming underwater escape with this vibrant home aquarium. Its crystal clear, impact-resistant design looks just like glass, but is light and leak-proof. Energy-saving LED lights let you choose from 7 brilliant colors to match your mood or decor. A built-in filter keeps the water fresh and clean, quietly removing debris for happy, healthy fish. With an easy light timer and smooth setup, it's the perfect mix of fun, beauty, and relaxation for the whole family. Turn any room into an adventure zone with this giant 67-inch stuffed alligator. Big, bold, and unbelievably soft, it's the kind of plush that instantly steals the spotlight. Its lifelike details and friendly expression make it both impressive and huggable. Crafted from ultra-soft, durable fabric, it stays fluffy and full no matter how many cuddles it gets. Whether as a gift or a playful decor piece, this jumbo gator brings a wild twist of fun and comfort to any space. Cold mornings don't stand a chance against this compact wall outlet heater. Just plug it in, and you've got instant warmth right where you need it. No bulky unit taking up floor space. The digital thermostat lets you set the exact temperature, and it cycles on and off to keep things steady. A built-in timer adds convenience, and the quiet operation makes it perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or home offices. Here's a gadget that makes rainy days and damp laundry way less stressful. It looks like a regular hanger, but it doubles as a mini hot air dryer for both clothes and shoes. You can switch between warm air or natural wind. Set a timer and let it work quietly in the background. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for travel, business trips, or just quick drying at home without bulky machines. What if your laundry folded itself? This smart machine takes shirts, pants, towels, even bulky clothes, and folds them with perfect precision. It doesn't stop there. Built-in ironing tech smooths out wrinkles so everything looks freshly pressed. Compact but powerful, it saves you hours of work every week. Just feed in your laundry, and in minutes it's folded, ironed, and ready to put away. Keep your home one step ahead with this smart motion detector. It spots movement instantly and alerts you through your connected system. The wide-angle lens covers a big area, while the stand lets you adjust the angle just the way you want. You can even set how quickly it resets between detections. With a long-lasting battery, it works quietly in the background, keeping your space safe without the hassle. Movie nights just got a whole lot cooler. These LED backlights sync with whatever's on your screen, wrapping your TV in glowing colors that spill out into your room. Dual cameras make sure the effect is spot on, so every scene feels more immersive. You can control everything with an app, switch modes, change colors, or let it dance to your music. It's like turning your living room into a private theater. Motion sickness ruining your ride? These glasses flip the script, no lenses, just science. Each ring is filled with liquid that shifts as you move, helping your eyes and inner ear sync up. It creates a fake horizon in your vision, which tricks your brain and eases that dizzy feeling. No pills, no side effects, just natural relief in about 10 minutes. Ideal for cars, planes, boats, you name it. Imagine your blinds adjusting themselves with the sunlight. This smart tilt motor clips right onto your existing blinds, turning them into automatic ones in minutes. A built-in solar panel keeps it powered endlessly, so you never have to recharge. You can set timers, use the app, or even control them with your voice when paired with a hub. Smooth, precise movement keeps your room perfectly lit all day long. Taking notes just got a serious upgrade. This AI-powered tablet doesn't just capture your handwriting, it can turn speech into text in real time and even summarize entire meetings for you. The pressure-sensitive stylus gives a natural, paper-like feel while supporting multiple pen styles for sketching or note-taking. With support for dozens of languages, it's perfect for global use. Imagine having a grill that practically cooks for you. This smart wood pellet smoker uses built-in AI to suggest recipes, adjust temps, and manage the entire process while you relax. Whether you're smoking low and slow or searing at high heat, it keeps everything precise and consistent. With space to handle big meals and 7 cooking functions in one, it's the ultimate outdoor upgrade for anyone who loves barbecue made effortless. Say goodbye to endless ice packs and heating pads. This smart knee wrap gives you both heat and cold therapy in one sleek design. Switch from soothing warmth to refreshing cool with the push of a button, easing pain, swelling, and stiffness fast. It straps on comfortably and moves with you, so you're not stuck sitting down. No cords, no mess, just instant relief whenever you need it. Why rely on a generic forecast when you can have your own weather station at home? This smart system tracks temperature, humidity, wind, and rain in real time with no moving parts to wear down. The full-color display gives you instant updates every few seconds. You can even connect it to your smart home, triggering alerts or automations based on conditions. Stay ahead of the storm with accurate, hyper-local data right at your fingertips. Stirring with a spoon? That's old news. This self-stirring mug mixes your coffee, milk, or protein shake at the push of a button. No effort needed. The high-speed motor blends everything evenly, while the lid keeps spills in check. Made from heat-resistant glass, it handles hot or cold drinks with ease. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries and let it do the work. It's your lazy morning's best friend. Say goodbye to messy handwriting and mismatched stickers. This portable label maker has you covered. It prints crisp labels for barcodes, jars, cables, packages, or even custom logos. You can design right from your phone with tons of fonts, symbols, and templates to choose from. The compact size means you can carry it anywhere, and the rechargeable battery lasts for thousands of labels. Drying clothes doesn't have to take up space. This double-line retractable clothesline stretches out when you need it and disappears when you don't. Each stainless steel line holds serious weight, so go ahead and hang those towels and jeans. It's perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or even hotels. Just pull, clip, and let it do its thing. No clutter, no hassle. Feeding time just got a whole lot easier and tidier. This silicone baby spoon doubles as a food dispenser, so you can squeeze just the right amount straight onto the spoon. No bowls, no mess. The suction base keeps it upright on any table, and the leak-proof lid means it's perfect for travel. BPA-free and soft on gums, it's gentle where it matters most. Ever wished you could just toss your laundry into the wall and have it vanish? That's exactly what this system does. Clothes, towels, even bedding get whisked away through hidden ports straight to your laundry room. It handles up to 8 different locations, making laundry collection effortless. Once installed, it blends seamlessly with your cabinets, keeping everything sleek and modern. You can even add a return option to send clean clothes back to your room. Mealtime becomes stress-free with this smart automatic cat feeder. It not only dispenses food on schedule, but also lets you watch your pets with a built-in HD camera and night vision. Dual trays make it perfect for multi-pet households, so no one gets left out. You can even talk to your pets through two-way audio or record a meal call. With app control and smart alerts, you'll never worry about missed feedings again. Tired of rummaging around for trash bags? This wall-mounted dispenser keeps them neatly stored and always within reach. Just mount it on the wall, slide in your roll or stack, and pull out a bag whenever you need one. It frees up cabinet space and keeps things organized. Compact, durable, and versatile. You can even use it for paper towels or cleaning cloths. Big family dinner or a party buffet? This warming tray keeps every dish hot and ready to serve. The smooth glass surface heats evenly, holding multiple plates at once so nobody eats cold food. With adjustable temperature settings, you control just how warm things stay. The sleek design with gold handles looks elegant on any table, and cleanup is as simple as wiping it down. Cool comfort meets modern tech. This 8-blade ceiling fan keeps air flowing smoothly indoors or outdoors, and its silent motor makes it almost unnoticeable, except for how good it feels. You can control it with the remote, your phone, or even your voice through smart assistants. The built-in LED light creates a warm glow that transforms any space. Sleek, efficient, and powerful. It's more than a fan. It's an upgrade to your whole room. Sometimes cleaning sprays just aren't enough. This UV lamp uses powerful ultraviolet light to kill up to 99% of germs, bacteria, and mold in minutes. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space that needs a deeper clean. It works without harsh chemicals. A built-in timer keeps you safe and simple. Compact and portable, it's an easy way to keep your environment healthier every day. Cooling your room shouldn't take effort, and with this smart pedestal fan, it doesn't. You can control it with your voice, your phone, or the remote without ever getting up. It oscillates both up and down and side to side, sending cool air exactly where you want it. With 8 speeds, 6 modes, and ultra-quiet operation at just 25 decibels, this fan works hard without making a sound. Perfect for sleep, work, or serious chill time. Waffles just got a serious glow up. This gadget doesn't make ordinary waffles, it creates waffle bowls you can actually fill. Pour in your batter, close the lid, and in minutes, you've got the perfect crispy shell for fruit, ice cream, eggs, or even chicken. No special mix needed. Store-bought or homemade both work. It's non-stick, easy to clean, and turns every meal into a fun little edible masterpiece. This RC car doesn't just drive, it performs. With a flick of your wrist, you can make it flip, spin, drift, and transform on the spot. The gesture-sensing glove gives you full control like a real-life superhero, or you can use the classic remote for precision stunts. It handles dirt, grass, and rocks like a pro. Lights, music, wild moves. This one's all about action and imagination. This speaker doesn't just play sound, it throws you right into the game. With 3D surround audio, every footstep and explosion feels like it's happening right next to you. The wireless bass subwoofer adds that deep, punchy boom you can feel. Bluetooth 5.0 keeps your connection stable, and the built-in mic makes it perfect for gaming chats. And those RGB lights? They turn your setup into a full-on light show.